So this is statistic. I said it is tested in paper 1, and in every case, yes, we've always had a question on this area. So it's upon you to know which area you're weak at and you work on that. So hello and welcome to our lesson today. So today we look at statistic 1. It's a topic in form 2, tested in paper 2. So our question is, the table below shows the marks obtained by 40 students in an exam. We have the table. Then the first question we have, find the value of x. Find the value of x. So what you're going to do, you're supposed to take or to add the values of the frequency. So we have 2 plus 12 plus 7 plus 15 plus x. These should give us 40, the total number of students. And when you add these, with your calculator, you're going to get that this is 36. So you have 36 plus x being equal to 40. So therefore x is equals to 40 minus 36, which is 4. So the value supposed to be here is therefore 4. Then calculate the mean mark and then calculate the median. So how do we get the mean mark? So we are supposed to come up with a table. So I draw a table of class, and I have the first class as 5 to 14, then 15 to 19, and then I have 30 to 34, 35 to 44. The next class and the last one is 45 to 49. And then we are supposed to get the midpoint, which we call x. So the midpoint, you're supposed to add 5 plus 4, 14, then we divide that by 2. So when you do that, you're going to get that this is 9.5, this is 17, this is 32, and then this is 39.5 and 47. So I've said you add 5 plus 14, you divide by 2, you get the midpoint. Then I have the frequency, f, the frequency, we have 2, 12, 7, we have 15, and we have 4, the value we had x. And these all should sum up to, summation of f should be 40, the total number of students. Then the next thing we are supposed to have is fx. We take 9.5, we multiply by 2, this is f, this is x, we get 18, and all the rest. Actually, it is not 18, but 19. 19. 9.5 by 2 is 19. Then 17 by 12 is 204. So we fill that table. We have 222, 224, sorry. And then we have 592.5. And finally, we have 188. So then we sum this, summation of the fx. 19 plus 24 all the way to 199, we get that this is 1227.5. Now, answering our question, find the mean mark. The mean is abbreviated by bar. X bar is given by summation of fx divided by summation of f. So summation of fx is 122.7.5, so 122.7.5 divided by 40. Summation of f, which is 40. So dividing that, we get that the value of the mean will be 30.6875. Giving these to 4 significant figures, you get 30.69. So this is the mean score of the marks that were scored in the class. The next question is calculate the median. So the formula for the median, so we get the median as being given by L plus N over 2 minus C over 2 not over 2 but over f multiplied by I. So L is the lower class limit where the median mark lie. L will be 40 over 2. Then this is cumulative frequency above the class, then the frequency of the class, and then the class interval of the class. If you look at our data, the class intervals are not the same. So that's why I'm talking about the class interval of that class. So n over 2, so 40 over 2 will be 20. So where does the 20 lie on this? So we require a column of cumulative frequency whereby we have 2, we add 12, we get 14, we add 7, that is, we get 21, we add 15, we get 36, and finally 40. This is cumulative frequency. We take the frequency, we add the next, to obtain this, then we add the next to obtain the next. So where does the 20th mark lie? So the 20th mark lie on this class. The 20th mark lie on that class. And therefore we are going to go for the cumulative frequency, or we're going to go for the lower class limit of that class, which is 29.5. We add n over 2, we have 20, minus the cumulative frequency above the class, which is 14, divided by the frequency of the class. The frequency of this class is 7. We multiply by the class with 30 to 34. The class mean is 5. The class mean is 5. So computing these, we get 29.5 plus 4.2857, and we finally get 33.29 as our median. So 33.29 is the median of this data. So this is statistic. I said it is tested in paper 1, and in every case, you see, we've always had a question on this area. So it's upon you to know which area you're weak at, and you work on that. So doing all that in that question, you are sure of earning 10 marks. The next thing is about graphical part. We'll be talking about it in our next lesson. Thank you for watching.